In this video, we will show you how to check battery health in a laptop. It is important to know your battery health in laptops. Okay, there are two options. You can see your battery health in laptop. First, using default application from Windows, and second, using third-party application in Windows. The difference you will see on yourself. Okay, first using application on Windows. The advantage is you don't need to install the another application. Okay, so what you must do is just open command prompt, type command prompt in here, okay, and run as administrator. Okay, after you run the command prompt as administrator, just type this command: power cfkey space slice battery report. Then you can hit enter. After that, you will show the battery report will save in this path. Okay, what you must do is just go to this path and open the folder and go to C and go to Windows. After that, go to System 32. Okay, System 32 here, and you can see after System 32 there is existing HTML file for battery report. Okay, with this method, you don't need to install third-party application that maybe you aware about that. Okay, just find battery report in here. Battery report. Okay, then you can open this by double clicking. Okay, and after you see, you can see this is your battery health. But how to count battery health based on this data? Oh, it's very easy. You can just using calculator. Open your calculator. Okay, the design capacity is this amount and full charge capacity now is this amount. So you you can just do the full charge capacity is divided by design capacity. Okay, after that you can see this is the values and you need to multiply with 100%. Okay, so this is your battery health. Maybe this system application or the default application to see battery health a little bit hard because you need manual input into calculator to see your battery health is approximately 76%. And to do that, you can using third-party application. Okay, you can download the third-party applications on the comment sections. Okay, this is the third-party application you can using battery info view. It's available for 64-bit or just 32-bit. Okay, to do that, okay, you can just remove this first. I will remove this. Okay, in comments, we will have the link for both. So if your computer is 64-bit, how to see your computer is 64-bit? Just right click on your computer and click properties. It will show the information. Your computer is 64-bit or 32-bit. Okay. In my case, my computer is 64-bit. So you need to extract the 64-bit one. Just right click on the file and you can click extract all. Okay. After you extract all, just open the folder and run the battery info view. And in this case, you can see the battery health is almost the same with manually counting just now. Okay, you can see. If you don't want to input manual the values, okay, you can just using this battery info view application. Okay, there is same accurate 76%, and also for this information also 76%. Okay, and that's all tutorial how to check battery health in laptop. And because this is important to, maybe every day you work with laptop, so this is very needed to you to always see your battery condition. If you have any question, you can fill in the forms comments below. Thanks for watching and hope this video helpful for you.